Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about a plugin which has been developed by the Mist Analytics company. It's a company based in the Netherlands, and I think it's really interesting because that's a really complete plugin that they developed. So this plugin is named Surveys. As its name stands for it, it allows you to create some surveys, and what I really like with this plugin is that it's kind of straightforward to understand. But first thing first, once installed, what you can see here is already something that we noticed with Lucas Winkler, is that there's currently no easy possibility to add an icon over here within the menu. So that's kind of easy to do if you are developing a plugin, so to say adding a link in the menu here. But when it comes to add an icon, I'm not sure that there is easy possibility to do it. So that's why so as this plugin, so as the shorts URL tracker plugin, there's no possibility yet to add, if you develop a plugin over here, to add an icon, but that's just a detail. For the rest, this plugin is very great because it's easy to understand. So in order to get started, you just click over here in the admin, then you get survey settings, you create your survey, you give a name to it, which is I don't know, I have no idea till when I can go with this survey. So I'm just gonna say like open-ended question. Let's see if it can support it. Open-ended question. Question survey to know about what think of my website. What I really enjoy here is that they give you possibility to custom the form in terms of colors and stuff. And as I'm really bad in getting the exact decimal code, they got this nice feature to grab it. So here I'm just gonna keep it as yellow. Can I get yellow? Yeah, okay, great. What should be the color of the font? I keep it in black. What should be the color of the button? I like blue, so I'm gonna go for blue. Okay. What should be the overcolor of the button in the survey? So my button are blue. I wish they could be blue as well. Okay, it's gonna be ugly, but I don't mind. So you create your survey like this one. Then you need to go into manage survey. So here, then you can decide about the field settings. So in my case, I wish I could get an open-ended text field. Ah, great. So I don't know the difference between text field and text area. Text field, text area. That's a text area. Label. What do you think about my website? This is required, and save in. Ah, great. Okay, so it appears like this. That's nice. That's what I expected. Then what's next? Next is about the integration of this survey on our website. So here I'm coming back in Tag Manager. So here I'm gonna remove the existing tags I had, which was this one, because I don't want to have too many surveys. So here's developed a nice template which is named survey. So just gonna put in the question. Open-ended question. You choose the survey, so it's going to be open-ended question, and you decide when it should be loaded. So in my case, I'm picking up mine stuff, which is going to load on any page. So I create it. I stay the preview mode just to show you how it looks like. Oops, I'll go over here, and then I can go over here. So I just need to refresh my page, and normally I should get this so preview mode that should work. As I have it on the page, I have it on the page. Is it loading? Good question. Custom survey, open-ended question. Ah, okay. Maybe the reason is that I already answered to a survey on this given page, so that may be the reason why it's a bit reluctant. I'm gonna go on another website. Okay, all good, and then I'm just gonna add my tag measure. Perfect. Oops. So normally here I should get, what do you think about my website? Please change the yellow button to another color. Okay, and you submit. So here it says thank you for your feedback. And then you can view the result of the survey over here, open-ended questions. So this is the, let's say, the finished report. So it's telling you about the submission. It's telling you we should go on the dev today. Okay, maybe the data have not yet been processed, but if we take, for example, this one that I did in previously, as you can see, it's registering, in fact, the data. It's offering you the possibility to visualize it in different formats. It's as well, if you take, let's say, more data. Oops, more data. It's kind of nice because here for this full survey that they make with another survey, so of course you get the number of survey submission, but you are getting this detailed report, you see, with all the data that's have been included within it, and that's really nice. As well, what I noticed is that I have the feeling that you are not getting extra interactions over here, saying that the form has been submitted. And I think that's interesting because you can easily make it with the tag manager, like pushing additional events. Maybe they could add it as an option in order to automatically send some events here in order to say someone reacted to a survey. I didn't test it yet, the possibility to filter. I have the feeling that we don't have the possibility yet to segment according to the people who are sending the survey, which goes back to the point that I was making, like you can fire an event based on the number of people who send the surveys, but you can easily then segment those and see more data about the profile who visited your website and send survey. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.